So our goal is to impact every school in Clark County, but hopefully we'll have made an impact on every campus.
What if we provide Lovis Elementary with $50,000?
One of the main things we're doing is investing in a professional development program so teachers can do a better job of teaching kids with dyslexia and other learning disabilities to read. We're going to be recognizing teachers all across the district and providing resources. Our principal thing is going to be our literacy intervention.
Project RISE will help struggling readers from kindergarten through 12th grade who need the most support. Best of all, the program will adapt to meet their individual needs.
It is an amazing program that's really going to help me support our dyslexic students, and that's something that I have been wanting to do for a long time.
Great teachers change lives.